Why trade Euro USD? Do you also trade Euro USD? Why do you trade it? How has been your experience? Leave your comments in the comments section below. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Trading the Euro USD currency pair is a popular choice among Forex traders due to several compelling factors. As the most liquid currency pair in the Forex market, Euro USD benefits from deep market depth, which results in tighter spreads, lower transaction costs, and greater price stability. This high liquidity allows both retail and institutional traders to enter and exit trades quickly and efficiently, even when dealing with large volumes, making it an ideal choice for traders of all experience levels. One of the main attractions of trading Euro USD is that it represents two of the largest economies in the world, the United States and the European Union. Economic data from these regions, such as GDP growth, employment figures, and inflation reports, have a significant impact on global financial markets. This makes Euro USD sensitive to a wide range of macroeconomic factors, creating opportunities for traders to capitalize on news-driven price movements. Additionally, the policies of the European Central Bank, ECB, and the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, play a crucial role in determining the direction of the Euro USD exchange rate. Changes in interest rates can lead to significant volatility, as higher rates in one region tend to attract more investment and strengthen the currency. Traders who closely monitor the interest rate differentials between the Eurozone and the US can use this information to predict movements in the pair. Euro USD is also known for its volatility, especially during major economic releases or geopolitical events. This volatility provides ample short-term trading opportunities for day traders, scalpers, and swing traders who thrive on frequent price movements. Moreover, the pair is known for its well-defined trends, making it attractive for traders using trend-following strategies. The pair's sensitivity to a wide range of economic data releases, such as U.S. non-farm payrolls, Eurozone inflation data, and central bank meeting minutes, also allows traders to plan their trades around these predictable events. Political events in both the US and Europe can significantly impact the Euro USD exchange rate. Elections, government policy changes, trade negotiations, and geopolitical tensions can all lead to rapid shifts in market sentiment. Traders who follow global political developments often find the Euro USD pair appealing, as it offers opportunities to profit from these events. Additionally, the pair often correlates with movements in other financial markets, such as global equities and bonds. For example, a strong U.S. stock market may lead to a stronger dollar, while European bond yields can influence the value of the euro. Understanding these correlations helps traders anticipate movements in Euro USD and make more informed trading decisions. Another important aspect of trading Euro USD is its safe haven characteristics. In times of global uncertainty or economic downturns, the US dollar is often seen as a safe haven currency, attracting capital into USD-denominated assets. Conversely, during periods of positive market sentiment, investors may move capital into higher-yielding assets, which can weaken the USD and strengthen the euro. Traders can take advantage of these dynamics by trading Euro USD based on global risk sentiment. Finally, Euro USD is suitable for a wide range of trading strategies, from short-term day trading to long-term trend trading. Its consistent liquidity and volatility make it ideal for technical analysis, while its sensitivity to economic data and central bank policies offers opportunities for fundamental analysis. This versatility attracts traders with different styles and preferences, further solidifying Euro USD as one of the most popular currency pairs in the Forex market. In conclusion, trading the Euro USD currency pair offers numerous advantages for Forex traders. Its high liquidity, sensitivity to global economic data, and responsiveness to central bank policies create a dynamic trading environment. The pair's volatility, combined with the wide range of available strategies, allows traders to capitalize on both short-term opportunities and long-term trends. Additionally, its correlation with other financial markets and safe haven characteristics provide traders with diverse opportunities to navigate changing market conditions effectively.